Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Zed Desai. Technically I just wrote my theory exams for third year and I've still my practicals pending. So I guess I'm halfway into final year and halfway out of third year. So let's just keep that as a suspense for now. So today's video is going to be something on the light-hearted tangent. I'm going to be conducting a quiz, a science quiz, where medical students are going to be answering 11th and 12th or junior college, or popularly known as PUC in Karnataka. And my guests for today are मेरे को वहाँ पे जाना है. Let's change. Alright, now that we are set, guys, introduce yourselves.
Rahul Bennur.
My name is Shakil Mangoli.
This is Tanveer Ahmed.
इतना ही बोलना है?
हाँ
Okay. Alright guys. So, let me just explain them the rules. Alright. So, every correct question is going to get 2 points. They can pass the question for one round, and every passed question is going to get 1 point. There will be no negative markings because I don't want them to have PTSD from NEET.
PTSD?
What's PTSD?
बोल बे.
Post-traumatic stress disorder. Okay. Okay. Alright, so which side do we begin from?
That side.
Alright, so we'll be beginning with Shakil Mangoli. I'm just kidding. We'll be beginning from Rahul. Alright, Rahul. Serious mode, everyone serious. Okay, this is a quiz. What are the 3 things needed to perform photosynthesis?
CO2, H2O, sunlight.
Alright, that's perfectly the correct answer.
Yes.
2 points to Rahul.
Yes.
Next question, Shakil. What is the difference between xylem and phloem?
Xylem is the one which conducts the water, and phloem is that which conducts the food.
Very good. 2 points. Alright. That's the pressure on Tanveer now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Name at least 3 essential amino acids.
Essential amino acids. Wait.
I saved.
Pass.
Alanine. Right? Whatever. I don't remember.
Okay, pass. Okay.
Lysine, histidine, isoleucine.
भाई ये पूरा स्क्रिप्टेड है क्या? तुमको भेजेगा उनको?
नहीं.
इतना धड़ाधड़ कैसे बोल रहे?
नहीं. हमको पता है.
ये लड़का अपने फाइनल्स के लिए पढ़ा है.
पता है.
To our viewers, an essential amino acid is a substance which is not produced by the body, hence has to be taken from the natural diet. In total, there are 9 essential amino acids. Moving on to the next question, Rahul. So Rahul is currently on 3 points.
Yes.
Name the shells of electron along with configuration of each shell.
Yes. P, D, F.
Okay.
Yes. 2. P. 8.
Wrong.
P3.
Wrong.
SP1, SP2, SP3.
Shakil, half of the question is answered for you.
S2, P3,
Galat.
P5.
Galat. Wrong. Shakil is wrong. Now Tanveer, you have a chance to redeem yourself. Wait.
LN में पढ़ा था भाई. गलत हो गया सारा.
भाई I don't know. भाई ये सब
भाई है अपना. भाई है. सब लोग गाए.
Alright. So S is 2. P, if you remember, we have 3 blocks and we put 2 electrons
Yeah.
in each box.
Yeah.
So 6. So D is 10 electrons and F is 14. Alright. So the next question to Shakil. Pushing is easy or pulling?
Pulling.
You have to justify your answer.
In pushing, we have to overcome the entire force of the body. But in pulling, it's not required.
Yeah, fine. I'll give that to you. Alright, next.
Okay.
So Shakil is 2 points. So Shakil is having 4 points. Rahul is having
4.
no, you.
I think 5.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
5.
and I have 0.
Yes. But we are giving you a chance to change that.
Okay.
With your next question, what is the percentage of nitrogen in the atmospheric air?
78.
I'll give that to you. Congratulations, Tanvi. You just earned your first 2 points.
Thank you.
So Rahul is currently in the lead with 5 points, Shakil with 4, and Tanveer has just opened his new account. Alright, so Rahul, the next question to you is, living things are divided into 5 kingdoms. They are
Protozoa, fungi, animals, animal plant, और क्या है? Algae.
wrong. The question passes to Shakil. No. Pass this to Shakil. 5 kingdoms of living things are
Protozoan, Plantae, Animae, then Fungi.
yes. Everyone's getting 4. Who gets the 5th one?
Wait.
I still don't know the last one, man.
Alright, so
I
something
will
about-
guess.
We are taking too much time.
So the 5th kingdom is Monera.
Oh, fuck.
Yes.
Monera. Monera.
Yes. Alright, so next question.
So I will get the one mark.
Why?
अरे तू काय भाई तुम काय
Why will you get the mark?
I told 4.
So even we told.
even I knew that.
Step, यहाँ पे step marking नहीं है. Step marking नहीं है यहाँ पे. Alright, next question to Shakil. Light year is the unit for time or distance.
Distance.
Alright, I'll give that to you. So Rahul is at 5, Shakil is at 6, and Tanveer. Let's see what you do in this question. Your question is, what are the 3 laws of motion given by Newton? Three laws, yeah. First,
Hey, each one will get 1 marks. Each law. That is.
No.
यहाँ पे examiner मैं हूँ. हाँ. First law. Newton.
First law, second law, third law.
Yes.
अच्छा उसका नेम नहीं है क्या?
Third one is action and reaction.
हाँ.
बोल दो सारा
Every-
answer बोल दो.
every action there is equal and
हाँ,
opposite.
this is the third law.
हाँ, third.
Second law is first and second.
Stationary body का कुछ है ना?
हाँ,
Stationary
okay.
body will be in
अगर तुम explain
motion
कर दिया तो I'll
until-
give this point to you. First law का. एक keyword एक है. If you tell me that, I'll give that point to you.
First law. That body will be in its own like. That body will be in motion, or else it will be
that you could
in stationary position until and unless you put an external force on it.
So what is that known as? Okay, I'll give this first law to you. Okay, second law.
Second law.
Only because I have a soft corner for Tanvir, I'll give him 1 point for this, and I'll pass the question. Next, Rahul.
Every action has a
Equal, and that is the third.
Third, man. That's
Yeah.
third.
हाँ.
Yeah, I knew
I
that.
know- I only
I knew that, man. I knew that.
नहीं. First or second?
Yeah.
First ka he almost told everything. One keyword if you're able to say that, and second law of motion, I'll give you 1 point.
Pass. I don't know.
With a constant force.
Not constant force.
क्या है constant?
Inertia.
Okay, this is one. Yes. क्या? Move.
मैं बोल रहा था.
Inertia.
Inertia.
Okay.
Half inertia.
Inertia. हाँ. Second law.
Second law. Pass.
So this clearly means कि medical students have nothing to do with physics and Newton. फालतू में एप्पल गिरा दिया. Second law of motion is force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. F is equal to ma.
Oh.
Next question, Rahul.
Okay.
What is the speed of light?
3 into 10 to the power 8, I think.
कुछ तो missing है आंसर. कुछ
हाँ.
Meter per second.
बोल दो अपना पॉइंट गवा दिया खुद ही.
Meter per
अरे
second.
इसमें नेगेटिव भी है क्या?
Meter per second.
अरे भैया जी.
अच्छा पास होता तो.
तुमको पास होता.
अरे
मेरे
वो
को
बोल
आता
ही
है.
देगा यार.
Okay, done. So Rahul is at 7 points. Shakil, time to redeem yourself. What is the speed of sound in air?
3.14.
3.142 pi.
Alright, so I'm gonna pass the question to Tanvir. Tanvir, speed of sound.
380.
Nah. Rahul, pass.
340.
343. So I have Saurabh behind the camera. Saurabh, should I give him the point? No. Alright. So no points for this question. Next, Tanvir.
Yeah.
Your question is, give me an example where Bernoulli's theorem is applied in real life.
Only one example.
Yeah, one example. is
You can
fine.
give 2 or 3.
Plane.
Okay, fine. I'll take that example. 5 points. Rahul,
7.
7. Shakil,
Six.
6. Okay. So 7, 6, 5. Next question to Rahul. Tomato is a fruit or vegetable.
Fruit.
Next question to Shakil. Sound moves fastest in which medium?
Air.
Tanvir, an opportunity to earn 1 point. What do you do?
Space. space में नहीं होगा
I'm going to translate the question.
Hey, bhaiya.
I'm going to transfer the question to Rahul.
अरे cut
नहीं, no. Rahul.
Solid.
That's absolutely correct. So 11 points, Rahul. Shakil not very far behind, 6 points. Tanveer at 5, or rather 4.
5 man 5
5. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Chill,
right.
chill.
Easy. Shakil, time to redeem yourself. How many heart sounds are there?
4.
Excellent. Okay, we won't go into the details. And so Shakil is with how many points?
9.
9. 11.
9
7.
9,
now-
11, 7.
Huh.
Okay. How do you test for tubercular bacilli in microbiology? Which stain do we use? Or which is the procedure that is known?
Zeal Nielsen's
Arre, wow. Okay, so Zaid and Sringo, we'll give that to him. Tanveer is at 9 points. Okay, I just realized that even though I'm asking them medicine-based questions, I'll have to also make sure that people can relate to it. So Rahul, the final round begins now. What deficiency is caused because of niacin vitamin?
Pellagra.
Okay, fine. I'll give that to you. Rahul is at 13 points.
Yes.
Okay, Rahul is in the lead. Now there's no chance that anyone can beat Rahul, so congratulations, Rahul, on getting the first one. Okay, Shakil is at 9. Your question is, what is the dental formula for an adult?
2, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, fine. He's at 11. And Tanveer, you're still third. Don't look at the glass as half empty. Look at it as half full. Your turn to redeem yourself is, which is the largest organ of the body?
skin.
Give that to you. That was the toughest question of the round. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and
Share.
And the
Share.
winner of this competition, I'll buy him an ice cream so that they also come for future videos. With that said, it's all about making the better you. I'll see you until next time. Everyone's Instagram handles will be down in the description below. Until next time, this is Zed Desai signing off. Hey guys, I was just editing the video and I realized not only did we not know physics questions, but we also forgot how to count. I hope the scorecards on the top helped you to manage your way through it. Do let me know what was your score in the comment section below and also subscribe. It's free. You're already at 420. Let's hit 500 subscribers. Let's just do it. Until next time, it's all about making the better you.